WebFX promotion, honest review. Watch before using. If you're considering WebFX for your digital marketing needs, you've come to the right place. Links to the product are conveniently added in the description below. WebFX is a full-service digital marketing agency designed for businesses that want measurable results and tailored strategies. It offers a wide range of services, including SEO, PPC, content marketing, web design, and social media management, making it an all-in-one solution for brands looking to grow online. One of its standout features is the focus on transparency and performance tracking. With their proprietary platform, Marketing Cloud FX, you get real-time insights into your campaign performance, ROI, and lead tracking, which is a game changer for businesses that want to stay in control of their marketing spend. WebFX is especially beneficial for small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, and enterprises that value customized approaches over one-size-fits-all tactics. Their team of experts takes the time to understand your business goals, industry, and competition, crafting strategies that drive tangible results. Another notable highlight is their excellent client support. You're assigned a dedicated account manager, ensuring consistent communication and a deep understanding of your campaigns. While their pricing might lean toward the higher end, the value they provide, backed by data-driven outcomes, makes the investment worth it for businesses serious about scaling their online presence. In summary, WebFX is perfect for companies ready to invest in high-quality digital marketing services that deliver measurable success. However, if you're a solopreneur or on a very tight budget, you might find more affordable options elsewhere. If this video helped you understand WebFX better, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It not only supports us, but also helps others discover valuable information about tools like WebFX. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.